Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Hey, good morning, you guys. It's Velvetlox. I am back with what I eat in a day. Now, what I usually like to do when I'm on a weight loss journey is I like to use my apple cider vinegar to start my morning. So before I drink any types of teas or detox smoothies, I like to start my morning off like this. It also helps to give you that extra boost in your losing weight. It helps to balance your pH levels in your body. It helps to also help shrink those fatty cells in your body. So what I normally do, and I'm sure you've seen many videos, and I have plenty of them on my channel, is I use either the Bragg's or the Heinz. This is organic apple cider vinegar, and it's made with the mother. This is a 2 tablespoon, measuring spoon. And that's usually how I like to start my morning. Okay, I also add in some of my real lemon juice, either a half a lemon or I'll do a shot in my glass of that. Now, one thing you should never do is drink this straight. I've gotten comments from some of you that still do that. It's very harmful to your esophagus and it's not good for your stomach. So always dilute this, which is what I'm about to do with 8 ounces of filtered water. Then what I like to do is I always drink with a straw. Never drink this straight. Always use a straw. This way you protect your enamel. You do not have any sensitive gums behind it. And it's a safer way to drink your apple cider vinegar.
20 minutes later.
Next, what I like to do, like 20 minutes later, is I like to make my smoothie. Now, I'm not a big breakfast eater, but I will drink my breakfast. Smoothies is what I like to do. Now, I have a handful of my spinach, freshly washed, and I'm just going to stuff that in my little NUTRIBULLET blender, which, if you're interested in the personal size or the full-size blender, which is behind this, check down below for the links in my Amazon affiliate links down below. After that, I'll put in my bananas. Now, I love eating bananas in the morning in my smoothie. And what I like to do is I like to freeze them, because in the summer, everything spoils fast. So if you leave them out, they're going to get brown really fast. And I freeze mine, okay? And it's so simple. Now, I'm just going to throw in some flax seeds. Love some flax seeds. I love that nutty taste in my smoothie. And what I'm going to do today is also add in a couple of prunes, just to get the bowels going. So I'll probably put about 4 prunes in there. And I love me some almond milk, okay? I usually buy either the unsweetened or the original. Now, smoothies are something that you can just tweak. It's all according to your liking. As to what you want to put inside your smoothies. Next, so that I stay full longer, I'm just going to add in some of my oatmeal. I love some oatmeal. Oatmeal is good. It helps you to stay full longer. It's full of fiber. And it helps to lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Now, what I'm also going to add in is some honey. Just a little squirt, maybe a little teaspoon or so of honey. And I'm also going to add in some of my PB Fit peanut butter powder. This is organic and it's 90% less fat. You can also make peanut butter spread with this too. Oop, got a little scoop in there. You can add protein powder in there if you'd like. It's up to you. And lastly, I'm just going to blend this up. Give it a nice, good shake. Alrighty. And my smoothie is ready. Nice and creamy. When you buy these NUTRIBULLET blenders, they also come with lots of wonderful accessory attachments, and one of them is a handle, so I'm able to actually drink it straight from my pitcher. And I'm just gonna pop the metal straw inside of it and enjoy my breakfast. Okay, so next will be lunch. Until then, bon appetit. Okay, you guys, I am back. This is going to be my lunch smoothie, which is a nice apple chai seed smoothie. I have a video on this wonderful recipe. This can be used as a meal replacement for breakfast or for lunch, okay? And even if you want to not eat a full dinner and you just need something light to get you through the night, this is also a wonderful dinner smoothie. So yes, I will be having my apple chai seed smoothie for my lunch. All right, you guys. I am back. I didn't really want to do a formal video right now, but I did cook dinner and I wanted to show you what I cooked for today. Now this is basically for the family, but being that I'm part of the family, I gotta eat. But I made some ribs, and there's nothing wrong with eating ribs as long as you can pair it with something healthy. And this is the leftover steamed cabbage and the leftover callaloo that I had from the roast fish. I made some mac and cheese for my family, but I'm not having none of that. And I'm going to show you my plate right now. And that's my plate. Okay, I just basically have some steamed cabbage, some callaloo, and 3 tiny little ribs. Alright, so just to come back on camera to show you that even though you eat beef or pork, you can limit that. Okay, steamed cabbage is a wonderful substitute. Also the callaloo is a wonderful source of iron. It's mixed with some carrots, some bell peppers. Okay, and that's my dinner. Alright, so this is what I've eaten for the day, so I'll be back. Welcome, family. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.